Mahinay again. Sabi ko sa'yo, coach ang last option nila, Mahinay. Nakita mo naman yun.
Oo.
Diba?
The key here, and that's is called here by Detailed Academy. Taking a look at that one on that replay.
Offensive, nabutata pa.
Ayun.
Double whammy ang
black
nangyari
eye.
doon.
And a timeout is called here by Detailed Academy. Taking a look at that one. Dito ngayon guys, pinag-uusapan natin si Ernest Reyes. Ito yung matchup na hinahantay natin. Reyes kontra Mahinay. As Ernest Reyes bulldozes his way. Ito si Jeremy Mahinay.
Strong drive by Jeremy Mahinay.
Impact.
Ito ang mabantayan mo. Fidel Castro is a champion player. Ilang championship na ang napanalunan nito sa Pro League. So, malaking bagay yung experience niya dito.
Parang may iconic na Fidel Castro na kapangalan yan. Parang
He's
Fidel
very
Castro.
familiar in this kind of stage.
Yes.
Yes.
So, mararamdaman natin.
As we take a look at that foul on that replay.
Ay doon
Oh, take note, tatlo na yan para dito kay Lester Tamayo.
Pero nakakuha ng foul. Foul si Jeremy Mahinay.
Bulldozing its way inside.
And again, kanina, no, Lester Tamayo able to get
Pero-
that jumper in
Pero
the face of
mapapansin natin,
Mahinay.
Plain PH, meron na silang parang strategy to stop Jeremy Mahinay.
Yes, and this guy will have to work double hard dito. And
Free throw for Kino Alcantara. He misses. Mahinay on the
Jeremy.
follow.
Grabe naman si Jeremy.
Crashing the offensive glass that time for Jeremy. The lead down to 1. Ernest, the jumper. No
Oh.
go.
Yes.
Flying high is Jeremy Mahinay for the rebound.
A basket here will tie things up dito. Tingnan natin.
Ito na, low post play.
To the
Mahinay.
shot clock. To the shot clock. Mahinay.
Oh! What a shot by Jeremy Mahinay.
We are